Making $500 a day is life-changing money. At least I know it is for me. That's money that can absolutely change your life, and I am here to share the secret behind you can make $500 per day with online businesses. And I'm not here to rattle off a list of businesses that I've actually never done either. So these are all online businesses that I've used to make money online, either currently or in the past. Whether you are looking for a way to supplement your current income or build a side hustle that actually turns into a full-time career, then these are my top 5 online business ideas that can help you make $500 a day. First up is dropshipping. If you are unfamiliar with dropshipping, it's just essentially a streamlined way to sell products online without needing to purchase them and then store them in your home or your warehouse and manage the supply chain and inventory and ship them as well. So instead of spinning your wheels, processing orders, go online and find a product that you would like to sell from a third party. The third party supplier then handles your inventory, your storage, order fulfillment, and much more. So then you can focus on the most crucial part, which is bringing in sales and marketing your storefront with the products. So start by finding a wholesale supplier using a supplier database such as AliExpress or SaleWho. Then determine what products you plan to sell and then create a shopfront using a platform like Shopify. Most supplier databases have apps that connect to your shopfront automatically, making this super easy and automated. Then market your shop using social media, a strong store theme, and then regularly updated product inventories. If you have a good eye for what's trending online, then this is a fantastic business model to take advantage of. Once again, there is no need to worry about inventory or keeping boxes of merchandise in your home. So instead, use social media like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube to market your products and then link your storefront in all of your social media accounts. When a viewer clicks on your shop link, they can then purchase the product, and from there, the third-party supplier handles all of the payment processing, the shipping, any returns, and more. So to make a profit, you'll need to mark up the product's price in your shop compared to the original supplier. The difference between the original supplier's price and your storefront is what you'll make. Now, dropshipping does have a bit of a bad name because of lots of shady online stores. However, if you are a dropshipping business that is reputable and legitimate, it can be a really lucrative way to make a full-time income online. When I had my dropshipping store, I catered to a very specific niche, which was kawaii stuffies. And I was able to grow my Instagram account to over 200,000 people in just a few months by just posting related kawaii videos and then videos and images of the products that I was selling. And I ran this shop for over 2 years and can say it was really mostly passive, except for the few times a month that I filmed content for the Instagram account. As with all of these business models, you can expect to spend time building up your initial business. Unless you happen to already have a large existing social media audience, then don't expect a sales flood immediately, because it will take time to build up that following and then find what content pops up enough to bring in those sales. But once accomplished, the rewards really are incredible. Next is print on demand on Etsy. Print on demand is similar to dropshipping in that the customer receives a physical product, but you don't need to purchase the inventory up front, create or manage, or even ship the product yourself. Instead, you design the artwork, the text, or the graphic that will be printed onto various products such as t-shirts or mugs or phone cases or water bottles. Then when a customer places an order for your design, the order information is automatically sent to a third-party fulfillment service like Printify. This service handles printing the product with your design and then fulfilling the order. So they handle all of the details like processing the payment, the shipping, any returns, and then control all of the inventory. The best part is that you don't have to worry about overhead costs for printing, packaging, shipping, or inventory, and you won't need to worry about the inventory taking over your home, which as a mom of 4, I can guarantee you would be a complete disaster. Some of the most popular print-on-demand products on Etsy include themed t-shirts or sweatshirts and hoodies. You can do things like hats or tote bags. Posters and mugs are always popular, as well as things like customizable stickers or notebooks and journals. I never would have closed my first POD shop had it not been a personalized gift shop. So a few years ago, there were no apps like Hello Custom that could do the majority of the personalization work for you. These days, I have actually been working on another Etsy shop that is a hybrid model. So it has both POD items and digital items catered to a very specific niche. And if you are interested in learning more about this type of shop, I will have that video linked in the description below. Number 3 is digital products on Etsy. Of all of the businesses on this list, selling digital products on Etsy is my favorite. So for starters, the profit margins are incredibly high because you have very few expenses. So usually just a few digital subscriptions to help you create and market your products is all that you'll need. The other incredible thing about digital products is the variety. There is absolutely a digital product out there that you can find that you both love creating and has a healthy target audience that brings in hundreds of dollars a day. For example, if you are a huge planner fan, you can make a sustainable income by selling digital planners, templates, stickers, printables, and so much more. And if you like to cook, consider selling meal plan templates, recipe cards, a digital cookbook, etc. There are countless of digital products out there that you can sell. I really do recommend checking out my short free guide, Pixels to Profit, for digital product ideas and also your first PLR product that you can edit and resell. And that will be linked down in the description below. But the takeaway is that once you have set up your digital product shop on Etsy and have built a customer base and started ranking in search results and then found your audience on social media, you have a massive opportunity to make thousands of dollars each month. I have started and built several six-figure digital shops without a pre-existing social media audience. And it is completely doable with the right strategy in place. To this day, I still manage my six-figure digital product shop on Etsy with the tumbler reps, and that usually only takes me around 2 hours a day to run, and this shop still brings in over $15,000 per month. My biggest recommendation for recreating this kind of success is putting in the research first. Going in blindly and creating a product that you like without using Etsy keyword tools like eRank or Everbee is just a recipe for disaster. You may end up with a product that no one is actually interested in or buying, or a product that is in a very highly saturated niche with little marketability. Another digital product business model that I've done is selling Kindle ebooks. These are just simple ebooks that you sell on Amazon, and they can be incredible money makers. Just start by researching profitable niches and trends, and you can look into what Amazon categories people are willing to pay a little bit more for. Often in the self-help or how-to books are the ones that really sell well because of the value that you're offering the customer. Then you'll want to write the book or even hire a writer to help you. You can design the book per Kindle publishing guidelines, which are kind of strict about the page layout, clickable table of contents, and skimmable formatting. A very critical step is hiring someone to design an incredible book cover or investing in ample time in learning the skills to actually create a great cover yourself. Remember that this is the thumbnail for your book, and people do judge a book by their cover as much as we would like to kid ourselves otherwise, so be sure to spend enough time on this. After listing your ebook, market it heavily and look into KDP Select for promotion options to then market your new book. Continue to add new books as you go so that you have an extensive backlist for readers to explore as they hopefully fall in love with your books. Finally is content creation. There is a reason why so many people want to be creators or influencers online, because not only is it fun and a great way to share information or provide entertainment to others, but the monetization opportunities are practically limitless. Becoming a creator or influencer can take many forms. So from creating YouTube content like me, to creating online courses on a platform like Skillshare or your own site, or becoming an influencer on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. My biggest advice for building this online business is just to have patience, because it does take a while to build, but it will definitely pay off once you've taken off. Secondly is to have a very clear why. So what is your reason for creating content other than making money? Are you sharing helpful tips and your passion for maybe fixing cars? Or are you helping other women become successful online entrepreneurs like me? Maybe you just have an adorable cat that people would love to spend time with. You actually don't even have to show your face. While I do show my face on this YouTube channel, there are actually many types of content that you can create, whether that is animations, feature someone else like your dog or that cat, or just show your hands as you cook, crochet, or build furniture. You can also format this in a way where you are just actually writing the majority of your content and then pairing it with aesthetic stock videos. I actually do have another faceless business with an Instagram account and Pinterest account that do remarkably well, considering how little the amount of time and effort that goes into it, which also then sells my digital products as well, just not on Etsy. And if this is something that does interest you, then be sure to leave a comment below, faceless, below, so I know to provide more content around this if you're interested in. As you grow, you will find ample opportunities to make money through ad revenue offered through many of the social media platforms. You can have monetization through things like sponsorships and affiliate links, and an even easier way to sell digital products because you already have an existing audience. If you are working on starting your online business or have tried any of these side hustles, then be sure to leave me a comment down below so that you can hopefully inspire others and ask any questions if you have any. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.